Hey, what's up, guys? This is Miguel with Miguel's View, and today we're going to be going over some Tesla charts and GME as well, and see what's going on. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Um, all right, this is Tesla right here, and they had earnings today. And let's go ahead and look at the news here. All right, Tesla expects to achieve 50% average annual growth in vehicle deliveries over a multi-year horizon. Tesla beats top and bottom in a line in quarter one. Um, Tesla post record earnings start. Let's see. It also had a vehicle SAP decline of 13%. So a little iffy there on the earning sheets. But let's look at the chart real quick. All right. We do have a support area here. You see this trend line on the daily. All right. So we did finish the day on a green candle here. We did close green, and 725 support. So around this area, and you can see it's bouncing around that area right there. So 725, I will keep an eye on that. And as long as it doesn't break below or close below 725, we're good for some more upside momentum. And as you can see here, it also has this downtrend. And if it breaks, okay, we can see some upside momentum all the way to 775, 780 area. If it breaks that, we have room to run to the 800s, around 837 here, according to this trend line. You can see on the 4-hour, we do have a trend here that goes to 817. That would be a pretty good target. We start getting some momentum tomorrow or this week, and for the upside, I'm still bullish on Tesla as long as it doesn't break below this area right here. If tomorrow it breaks below this previous candles on the daily around let's see here 707 around that area. If it breaks 725, it has room to go to the 700s. So $25 to the downside. And if it breaks the 700s, then it has more momentum. Probably come test 780 or so. But it does have room to run to the upside. I think it will hold. Right now it's at 721. So let's give it a minute and see if it bounces, if buyers come in there in that area, and it bounces and it holds that trend line that we have on the 4-hour and on the daily. If it holds, it's going to be looking good for the next few days to come. If it doesn't, then we're probably going to test 680, 700 area down there. Let's go ahead and go over to GME. Okay, this stock finished, it closed today in the green, up 11%, almost 12% at one point. They hit a high of 174. As you can see here, it's looking very good here on the 4-hour. Broke that downtrend line that had been going on a downtrend for about a week. And now we have a green candle here. We do have room to come and test that candle around 186. So Tesla, GME, GameStop looking good for the upside. Okay, we did have today's volume was around 8 million. Okay, so good volume today. I think we do come and test that 185. I don't know that we would break it. If we do break it, we'll have some upside potential to 216 around that area. 200 to 216 would be my target area. So around 200, 216 around those areas would be target. Yeah, so you see on the 4-hour, we have another trend here around 192. All right, 192, then 200, 215, 216 around those areas. So GameStop looking good. I think as soon as we get to those areas, might pull back before it breaks out again. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye, close eye on it. Today was upward momentum. We go to a smaller time frame here on the 3 minute. Uh, let me switch here. This okay, on the 3 minute, you could see here, all right, with some upward momentum, and all you had to do was follow this trend right here. So in the morning, uh, we had a spike, pullback, another run, another pullback, and then another run, and then pullback. Finally broke um, this trend around right before the close. So finished very well. Uh, Other than that, Tesla looks good. I do think we're gonna test the 190 200 area before a pullback, and if it breaks, get ready for some action on GME. Um, you know, you never. It might be third round. You never know. So um, we'll see that. Keep an eye on that. Keep put those levels down and see how we do on on GameStop. Let's go back to Tesla and see how we're doing. See, we're holding above. Nope, we broke. We broke that 725 area. All right, we broke it. So we broke it. We're going to the downside now. Don't look too much at this time frame. We're still bullish on the overall 4 hour and daily time frame. We're still bullish. Um, as long as we get some buying, here soon. Um, it- mm, yeah, 700, around 700 will be the last area they could bounce. If it doesn't bounce 700, we are going to see some more downside, some more downside on Tesla. So um, that is what we're seeing right now on Tesla and GameStop. Um, it's always a good idea to look at those bigger time frames and uh, I mean, if you're holding, not look at the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Look at the big picture overall of where um, where the where uh, the stock is heading to. So um, I still think if we hold around this area, it has a chance to bounce um, and uh, and break out. But you never know. You never know. Um, Nobody ever knows. You just have to look at the candles and see. Let the price action tell you what where it's going to go. Um, so ev- all the technical analysis and everything that I put out are just probabilities of where the stock can go, hold support, have resistance. They're all probabilities. So the you go with that. The probability is telling you of the chart. Probability is telling you it has more upside or more downside. You play by that and not anything else. Because if you go by prices that people are saying it's going to go this X amount, um, you know and you have no technical analysis behind it, then it can backfire on you. So make sure you do your own technical analysis. You use what I gave you as a fundamental to your own due diligence, and go from there. So right now, Tesla is holding on that 715 area. Did break that 725 support, which is not good, but overall, in the big picture, still looking good. Uh, it can come down and test the 700 area. So if it breaks that, then it's not gonna look good tomorrow. Probably uh, get you know uh, get shorted back down a little bit more or get sold off a little bit more there. But if it gets bought back up and it breaks that trend line that's coming down, we could see a real nice upside to Tesla coming in the near future. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you want to see me do a technical analysis on a certain chart, go ahead and comment down below what chart you would like to see, so I can do some technical analysis on it, and then we'll go from there. Go ahead and like also and subscribe so you don't miss out on any analysis that I do on the near future on stocks that you might like. Go ahead and like and subscribe. So, um, yeah, we have some support right here around. Let me do some support areas real quick on Tesla. So you might see them. Okay, this is on a lower 15-minute time frame. We have some support around this area, and then we have some support around this area. So 715, 700 area, we have support, and I think we bounce off those areas. I think we bounce off those areas, and I think we'll see some upside potential again to 750, and then test 7 770 area around right here. So let me give you some technical areas. Right here's 750, around 745, 750, and then we have room to run to around 770, 780, and that's where we're gonna have hard resistance to break. But if we break that, we'll see real nice momentum up to 800. So overall, Tesla's looking good as long as we hold above 700. The big picture is looking great. Let's go back to GME and see what it's doing. Uh, oh, GME just had a spike. Okay, did we get some sort of news? Did they have earnings today? No. GameStop. So as Wall Street bets, stocks see solid gains. GameStop completes at the market equity offering. Company. So okay, I don't know why my it's not showing me everything here. I'm in a little bit trouble with. I'm probably gonna have to restart the program on Thinkorswim. It's not showing me the whole press release. Okay, well, it did have some sort of press release. It doesn't want to give it to me. It just gives me a little piece and then it's blacked out. Anyways, I did give you areas 188, 190, and it seems like we're gonna hit them even before tomorrow up to 200. That's where we're gonna have resistance. So go ahead and be careful around those areas. If it breaks above, we're looking to go to 250 to 290, 300 areas. So go ahead and put those down on your charts, and see you guys. Tomorrow. Have a great afternoon, and see you guys the next time. Go ahead and like and subscribe the video so you can get more content like this in the near future. All right, see you guys.